Hello, welcome to another lesson. This time we see Esteban getting in touch with his English teacher by phone. As Esteban is telling his teacher about the recent events in his life, we go through his daily routines as well as what happened to him that day, especially at school where something very interesting was going on. We will review the use of positive, negative, and question sentences using was and where, and we'll analyze some nouns, that is, names given to things, people, in this case events, and their modifiers. Let's watch.
Oye, un correo de Mrs. Pérez, mi profesora de inglés en el...